It took this customer about 4 months and thousands of dollars to hunt down almost every single Noctua and ProArt component to fit this gorgeous wood brown theme. But once he had it all, he still needed someone to build it right. So he sent it to us. We supplied the remaining components, the CPU, the ProArt X870 motherboard, and 4TB of SSD. The final build is not something you get to see every day. It's housed in the ASUS ProArt PA602 Wood Edition. It's running a combo of the 9800 X3D and the super rare ASUS Noctua collaboration for the RTX 5080. Just one thing to note, our warranty only covers the components that are bought from us. So in this case, it's the CPU, motherboard and SSD. Do you already have your own parts and just need help building it? You can drop us a DM and we can get started.